My hemoglobin A1C was 10.8. 6 months later, it's now 5.9. My initial opening blood sugar was 417. It is now in the low 100s. It varies, it depends, 114, 120, in that sort of range. I'm a cardiac electrophysiologist, a doctor who puts in pacemakers and worries about cardiac arrhythmias. I live in Michigan, and I have a number of intercurrent health issues which play a role in what has happened. And while being evaluated for hepatic fibrosis, which would be liver fibrosis, I had a routine blood work done, and my opening blood sugar was 417. And the hemoglobin A1C that was done at that time was 10.8. So this almost caused my physician to try to hospitalize me, which I didn't agree to. But over time, my wife, Terry, and I quickly evolved into a family that started looking at solutions, which involved things that can take us beyond just managing diabetes. Classic allopathic teaching tells us that these are prolonged, incurable management problems that require you to take pills forever until your pancreas goes, and then you take insulin. And then when the vascular complications happen, you start dealing with kidney failure and heart problems and strokes. And so this is a very long, slippery slope, and it's hurtful. We were already somewhat health conscious as a family, and we began to look at things. And for a number of reasons, we got into the issue of what mastering diabetes had to offer. And we began. As we went along, she met one of the principal authors on a cruise, and we had conversations with them using Zoom. And after that, we were assigned a Mastering Diabetes health coach, who essentially is a lifesaver for me. And when that occurred, then my job began. I had to do what I needed to. And in a period of 6 months, or give or take, my hemoglobin A1C is now 5.8. I'm on no medications. I shall eliminate this diagnosis from my existence within a year. I suffer from a number of individual problems. All of them have been materially improved as a corollary to the diabetes management. So that now, with the Mastering Diabetes food intake protocol, the coaching, and all of that, all my symptoms are better. I live a very, very normal life now. I'm free of any significant continuous metabolic symptoms. I had many, such as fatigue, depression, poor sleep habits. I don't have any of those things anymore. Before starting the Mastering Diabetes program, my hemoglobin A1C was 10.8. 6 months later, it's now 5.9. My initial opening blood sugar was 417. It is now in the low 100s. It varies, it depends, 114, 120, in that sort of range. Before I started Mastering Diabetes, my doctors had put me on the usual 1 gram twice a day of metformin, taking care to watch my blood sugars and so on. As I got into more and more education about what this truly is, I knew that I needed to dispense with medication and work harder. Within 3 or 4 months, 3 months, the medication was gone. I'm on no medications now. Why Mastering Diabetes? Why not something else? I knew very early on in my discovery that I absolutely needed to concentrate on food as the way by which this may become a better outcome. You see, most people don't understand. Mastering Diabetes opens this door for you, that it's not really about trying to count calories. It's not really about saying, I can't eat sugar. What it is that you have to understand that you have a series of mixed signals in your body. Your liver is responding to what your muscles need. Your muscles don't get fed because the insulin gates are closed. as a result of which the cells are starving, and they keep telling your liver to make more and more and more. And this is a horrible axis, because this is what burns out your pancreas at the end of the day. So this complex equation between your organs, your periphery, leads to progressive disease. And once I had figured this out, I knew there were very few ways I could influence this. What Mastering Diabetes did, which to me was very distinctive, was to say, look, we know that this is overwhelming. Let's walk you through this one baby step at a time, to the extent that we'll give you the recipes of the food you can eat. We'll tell you what to buy. We'll tell you what else you need to do. So when someone is, as I was, somewhat overwhelmed by a diagnosis, which as a doctor I know can be very dangerous, this type of program, along with very, very essential, the coach that came with this program, changed everything. I was in control. I had endpoints. I had places I could go with regard to goals that I could achieve. There was weekly evaluations of everything, so that my coach was well aware of my blood sugar fluctuations. My coach was well aware of my diet, what I was eating and what I was not. So Mastering Diabetes gives you the complete package to become responsible for an illness that is eminently controllable, and it should be eliminated from most people's lives. Remember that when a person has diabetes, there is an overwhelming loss of control. You now no longer know what tomorrow brings. What Mastering Diabetes does is it hands you back that control. It hands you back the ability to overcome that which no one around you is. Everybody is taking metformin or other pills. People are on insulin. People are trying to diet. People are doing all kinds of things and just managing their illness. You become that person who emerges above the crowd with a sense of direction. You feel motivated. You feel extremely positive about yourself because you now have control. Yeah, there are emotional ups and downs with this, because after all, you are dealing with food. It's the most emotionally gut-wrenching, if you'll pardon the pun. It's a gut-wrenching problem. You don't want to give up those things that you love. So what you have to do is to say, how much do I want to live? How well do I want to feel? And in a very short period of time, remember, with Mastering Diabetes, you will feel that way. You will feel better. You will be able to do more. You have to give this thing a try, because until you do not know how much better you will really get. The greatest gift that this program has given me is the absolutely overwhelmingly different sense of well-being that I now have. I look and feel entirely different than I did when I was first diagnosed. I'm a different person. Physical activity around the house, I'm no longer afraid to do things, heavy lifting, what have you, exercise. I'm not the same person. Mastering Diabetes is how I got here.
Real quick, I've got a gift for you. It's our free Mastering Diabetes meal guide. The exact system our team spent hundreds of hours creating to help people lower blood sugar and reverse insulin resistance naturally. Inside, we show you the specific foods that make your cells more insulin sensitive, not less. You'll learn how to build meals that clear fat out of your liver and muscle tissue, restoring your body's ability to move glucose from your bloodstream into your cells. It's a science-backed blueprint with recipes, grocery lists, and real-world meals that thousands of our clients use to drop their fasting numbers, boost energy, and watch their A1C fall naturally. And here's the best part. It's completely free. All you have to do is comment the word guide below and we'll send it straight to you. No catch, no strings, just the exact framework that's helped thousands of people finally take control of their blood sugar and their life once again. Until next time, keep those carbs high and that A1C low.